Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe 650. When a motorcycle already has a reputation because of its performance, comfort, and capable technology, it doesn't mean it can't be perfected anymore. One element that can make the appearance more perfect is the coloring factor, aka paint, and this is what the 2022 Kawasaki VULCAN is currently accepting. Kawasaki VULCAN 2022 uses a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine and is liquid cooled. Its agile but friendly nature for beginner bikers has existed since this motorbike was made. However, its performance is still fun and more attractive with its latest appearance that we feature in this article. If you already like or are thinking about buying a Kawasaki VULCAN S, the 2022 model will offer you the package you like in slightly different colors. The new colorway called Pearl Robotic White looks incredibly sharp from every angle. Guaranteed, wherever you go, people will always look up. Unfortunately, this cool color was introduced for the US market and it is not clear whether it will be available in other countries. If the 2022 Kawasaki VULCAN S isn't too special and wants something a little different, then go for the 2022 Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe. It wears a small bubble hood that sits directly above the headlights, along with a three-tone coloring in orange, black, and white. You also get a big, bold VULCAN S badge on the tank on this variant. Apparently, this is a special edition that wasn't made as much as the standard VULCAN. Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe design highlights. Apart from the dark tinted wind deflector and the new tricolor paint theme, the 2022 Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe remains similar to the VULCAN S. The brand has not made any mechanical changes to the VULCAN S Cafe. However, the addition of a small windshield adds to the appearance of the cruiser motorcycle. The VULCAN S Cafe comes with the same headlamp cluster and teardrop fuel tank. The bike also features an additional head cover on the headlight bezel which gives the front fascia a wider look. Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe features. The Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe is equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster and Kawasaki ErgoFit technology, allowing the rider to adjust seat height, handlebars, and footrests and find the optimal riding position. The cruiser is equipped with a single seat, upright handlebar, and factory-mounted forward footrest. The motorcycle is also equipped with a swept tail section and LED taillights. Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe engine specifications. The Kawasaki VULCAN S Cafe comes with a liquid-cooled 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. The fuel injection motor produces 61 PS of power and 62.4 Nm of torque. This engine is equipped with a 6-speed return-type transmission. The VULCAN S Cafe and VULCAN S share a foundation, and the engine and Kawasaki have not made any changes to the powertrain, chassis, suspension, or brakes. Kawasaki VULCAN S new color update. The standard VULCAN S also got a new color in the North American market. The VULCAN S comes with a starting price of $7,299 MSRP. The brand has updated the color line with the new Pearl Robotic White and Metallic Matte Graphene Steel Gray / Metallic Matte Graphite Gray options. Apart from the new colors, the VULCAN S also remains mechanically unchanged. ABS is standard on the VULCAN S Cafe. Hauling this lightweight to a stop is a single 300mm, 2-piston caliper disc brake up front and a 250mm, single-piston caliper disc brake in the back. The front and rear ABS is standard on the S Cafe. Brake performance and feel are quite good, especially for a cruiser in this price range. While it's certainly fun to flog the VULCAN S Cafe through its gears, a bit of throttle restraint is rewarded with excellent gas mileage. We achieved a high of almost 61 miles per gallon on one tank, so even with its smaller 3.7-gallon tank, that's a lot of cruising to your local coffee shop or highway commuting before needing to stop for a fill-up. Mechanical specifications. The 2022 VULCAN S is still powered by the same liquid-cooled, parallel twin 649 cubic centimeters engine that produces 60 brake horsepower of output at 7,500 RPM and 62.4 Nm of peak torque at 6,600 RPM. This unit is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm telescopic fork up front and an adjustable 7-step offset monoshock at the rear. Kawasaki has priced the updated Vulcan S starting at $7,299 for the standard trim, while the Cafe variant is priced at $7,899. While there is no update as of now, we can expect the latest iteration of the Vulcan S to hit the Indian market by the end of this year.